This is white to checkmate in 2 moves by Leonid Ivanovich Kubbel, Undated. What is the key move here? Well, the key move is what seems at first an incomprehensible move. It's a sort of an Indian theme, but that's not quite the Indian theme here. However, you could look at it like that. What is white wanting to do? Well, what he's threatening is checkmate. So how does black defend against it? Well, supposing he does that, and then if white plays queen e7, it's king e5. What does white do there? Well, he plays there, checkmate, because black is self-blocking on e6. What about if he plays that? What happens then? Just take a look at it. Well, if he plays that, he's opened the floodgates for this rook to come down. Checkmate. What about if he plays there? What do we do then? Well, if he does that, checkmate, he's self-blocking on e6 this time. So what does he have left? Well, of course, if he plays the knight here, what do we do then? Well, we just take the pawn there and that's checkmate. If he plays this way, what do we do then? We go there. This is a self-blocking problem, if ever there were one. He's self-blocked with his knight on f5. Oh dear. What else does he have? Well, he can move the king. Now, of course, if you play here, he has a flight square, right? So how do you get him in one move in that position? This is not obvious, but it explains why the Indian theme was used, if you want to call it that. Because that is checkmate. White is controlling with his queen the 4th rank, with his rook the 6th rank, discovered check, all squares covered, and he can't interpose anything. That is a magnificent problem. Do watch out for the second one in this A Mate in 3.